In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from accessing a Google Drive file quickly and efficiently. We understand how important it is to manage who can view or edit your documents, and we're here to guide you through the easy to follow steps without any hassle. First things first, let's open up Google Drive. This can be done by navigating to drive.google.com in your web browser. Ensure that you're logged in with the account that owns or has the necessary permissions for the file you're dealing with. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you'll want to locate the specific file or folder that you've shared and now wish to revoke access to. After finding the file, go ahead and select it. If you're dealing with a folder, this method will work similarly, as long as you have the necessary permissions to make sharing changes. Once the file or folder is selected, you should see several options either above the file or when you right-click on it. What we are interested in is the Share option. The next step is to hover over the Share button. Doing this will either highlight the option or give you an indication that it's clickable. Then go ahead and click on Share. This will open up a new window where you can see a list of people who currently have access to your selected file or folder. Within this sharing dialog, you should see the names of those with access. Each person will have a role assigned next to their name, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. To proceed with removing someone's access, you'll need to click on the role next to their name. In most cases, it might be labeled as editor if they have permission to make changes to the file. Now, the final step is straightforward. Click on remove access next to the person's name. This will immediately revoke their ability to view, comment, or edit the file or folder. Once you've done this, you can either continue managing other people's access from this window or simply close it if you're done. And there you have it, you've learned how to promptly remove someone from having access to your Google Drive files. Whether it's for personal privacy, business purposes, or just keeping your documents secure, knowing how to manage these permissions is essential. Remember, keeping control over your digital resources helps maintain security and privacy in this digital age. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.